Okay, welcome and well done for getting to this point. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do exploded views. So I'll show you one I did earlier, like any good Blue Peter presenter, like this. And this is a really good method of showing other people the different parts and the way in which a product goes together. So this clearly illustrates how this product goes together. So when you enter your complete assembly, on the right hand side you'll have three boxes here. We're going to be concerned with the bottom one, which is called exploded view. We're going to ignore my one I've previously created and we're going to click add exploded view. From here, this is actually a really simple process. We just click on the part that we want to move and we drag it out on whichever plane we want to drag it out on. So I'm just going to drag it out in this direction because we've done them all on one axis. If we wanted to control the exact measurements, we could do, but we're going to do this by eye. This is quite important that each part you must click the tick after moving it. You can then click on the next part. So I've got the lens here. We can move that up. What will happen, I'm sure you'll do it because I've done it a couple of times, if you accidentally click on a second part, you'll see it's taken two parts and it's moved them to exactly the same spot together. If you do that, just click the X and then click the tick. So you're then just going to go through in the order that you think best dictates how you move and in what order, or how far and what order. So I've gone to about there so far. Now you can do this in any way you want. You could move those further and then move the bulb housing, or you could then go to the bottom, create quite a distance. Sometimes the parts are a little bit hard to select, so it's worth zooming in and just making sure you've got each of the parts you want. You can obviously change to translucent and different views if you want to use that to help you out. Move the main body down a bit. And then there's one more which should be just this one here. Just needs to come down. Once you've done that, you can take your screenshots and show. Now one part I haven't got, which you may have added if you've done the extensions, is the button, and I would suggest the button comes out on this plane or in that direction. Once you've done your view, you can click done and it will go back, or if you want to reopen it, you just have a look on this dialog box on the side here. So you can see I've done two different exploded views because you might want to do an entire sub-assembly or the three sub-assemblies depending on what part you're doing. But if I double click on there, I get back to all my exploded views, and again I'm done and I go back to normal. And if you want to hide this, just click on that as well. And this is an amazing way to present all the work that you've done so far and really show off your CAD skills.